Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I promised to do a special video on the traditional spices that we use for soups. They can also be used for other porridges as well. So what I'm placing in here now is grounded paste of nune. Tea people call it nune is locust beans. I think the Yorubas call it iru or so. And then this dark one is gbaaye. They have very strong aromas, like, but for the medicinal part it aids digestion, weight loss and all of that. So it goes very well with soups, especially our traditional soups. I prefer them in soups, but I know that it's not strange for other people to use it in rice and other starchy foods as well, which is also good because if it's going to give you all of that goodness, then that's fine. Then when I'm making a lot of soups, I think I did this in my Atebi video. When I'm making a lot of soups, I boil everything together so that I can have a thick paste that I can just work with to make my cooking faster. So there's really nothing to it. You just grind everything together. And then if it's a soup that requires crayfish and all of that, you can also add that as well. But this is just a basic mix for me for traditional soups. Nune, gbaaye, pepper, onions, and then everything is ground together. And ginger, depending on how hot I want it to be. And garlic, everything is ground together. And then I just have paste that I use to make my soups. So what special traditional ingredient do you add to your soups to give that traditional flavor that you know that you're eating food from your mother's kitchen? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have you subscribed? Because you gotta subscribe. I have sweet stuff. But on a serious note, we have very good videos on this channel, on food, on makeup, on style, and every single thing at all that works. So yeah, let me know if you'll be trying out this mix and if this makes cooking soups easier for you. My name is Mde. Thank you.